Good evening and welcome to the second edition of Sangeet Symphony, followed by Sakha and a dance production. This year we have a fairly natural growth, organic, from 41 participants last year to 134 participants this year. 12 songs have been passed on to the teachers by choreographer and director K.N. Shashikiran. And all these teachers have been training their children for almost 1 month. And last 1 week, we have been seeing Shashikiran also directly tutelaging them, these children, and also the teachers, mentoring all the students. And the result is what you're going to see today. More surprises coming would be beyond Sangeet Symphony. November, our second edition of Sangeet Samrat will be there. We'll have big names as judges like last year also. And most importantly, one more, we would be starting a Sangeet Premier League, something like the IPL, Sangeet Premier League. And we will be taking the discussion with all the teachers over the night and in the dates ahead. All of you, we welcome to have your children participating in this and then experiencing much better things, like how what happens in Cleveland could always be happening in Dubai also. Renuka Sharma has also been instrumental in coordinating as a program manager for the whole project. I thank her for the wholehearted support she has been giving. Every teacher who has been in the role has been instrumental in getting their children into the roles, pivotalizing themselves, tutoring them, and then seeing to a greater delivery today. Few requests: try to keep your mobiles in silent. If your children are active or hyperactive, allow them to be, but not disturbing your other children who are on stage. We have professional cameramen handling video. So try to enjoy the music delivered rather than focusing on your camera. You could avoid walking here and there in front of the stage, which would affect the official cameraman also. Most importantly, you're all waiting for the symphony. I pass on and request Shashikiran to have a few words.
Good evening to you all. It's a pleasure being here. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Salutations to all the leading gurus across the world and the best of the gurus here who have put this together. All the credits to just the gurus, none to me. If the children have worked so hard, I'm sure it's full credits to only the teachers who have put in that effort here. as Vinuji rightly put, Dubai is becoming a great cultural hub now, thanks to Vibgor Events. Please give one round of applause to Vibgor Events. They have been coming out with lovely concepts. I'm sure that this is the second edition. We're going to see much more from Vibgor Events in the following months to come and following years to come. And we would like to sincerely thank Vinu and Lakshmi for that support. And please put your hands together for Renuka. Who has coordinated this event. And one round of applause to all these children before they start. If the program has to be successful, then I'm sure we are looking at a lot of energy here from the children. They have worked very hard for the following few days and few months when they have learnt it, and they have learnt it in quick time, and they have put in a lot of effort. So first of all, we need to ensure that they are kept even more cheerful, and for that, what do we request all of you to do? I want that to be louder and louder as the program goes. Okay? I have never campaigned for my own concerts for applause. In fact, most times I tell them, you can applaud at the end of the concert. But for these kids, I think it means a lot. So please do ensure that they are cheered up through the concert. And please put your hands together for Mr. Kamath here. He has been working with me on the audio. It's very difficult to get an audio balance in these kind of shows. So my sincere thanks to him. I would be thanking everybody at the end of the program. Without much ado, let me get started with this event. The format is going to be very different. Sangeet Symphony, first of all, was premiered. Very short introduction into what it is. It means basically we have taken songs. It was started as Carnatic Symphony. You would have been watching it in US. It has happened in UK. It has happened in Dubai earlier, last year. It has happened in India quite a few times. And now, this year, Dubai, it seems to be rocking. We're having exactly the same number of children that I had in Cleveland. So please put your hands together, which means Cleveland, when I did the event, in a country like North America, people flew in from all over North America. So you need to know that, that many states put together, we had this number. So you should really be happy that Dubai is bringing that same number with, a much smaller group or being a much smaller country. So which itself tells a lot of how these teachers have worked meticulously in making sure that this is happening. So sincere thanks to all of them. Sincere thanks to all these children. They have really been absolutely amazing to work with. They have shown a lot of commitment, a lot of patience. To deal with me itself is a big task. I think knowing that, my temperament is pretty short. So knowing all that, I think they have handled me very well. So which itself is hats off to them. And I'm sure we are going to be rocking good music. We have picked up, when we talk of symphony and all of these concepts, there are a lot of conservative people who think I'm modernizing music. But the brainchild of this thing, when I envisaged this, it was purely intentional only to motivate the children who are learning music to get into the next level. Today, these children are exposed to both cultures. I would like to tell humbly that, I'm doing nothing modern. So please be assured that, none of these are new concepts as conceived by some people who think it's modernized. Let me also assure you that Tyagaraja, Dikshitar, all of them were very revolutionary composers. Tyagaraja composed songs like Varalila Gana Lola and so on, which were all, quite Western-based tunes. Sarasara Samarai we have taken. So we've picked up only those songs from the great composers, which we have put together in this format. So it's not that, we have modernized it. As you all know, Muthuswami Dikshitar composed 40 Notiswarams, which was all Western-based influence. So if you know historically, it is nothing new. fusion or these names may be new, but it's all been done by our great masters. As much as we don't understand, what their contributions are beyond the traditional side, I would like to say that all of these have already been done by them. I've just only taken from their footsteps and continued the tradition. And I'm sure that they already conceived this project only for children. So if Muthuswami Dikshita did Notaswarams, it was done only for children to learn and children to sing. So I'm sure that, they will approve of this as a concept. So I would like to humbly say to all the traditionalists that, there's nothing modernized. Please enjoy that these children are getting a great opportunity to perform here. It's a great platform, and I'm sure they're going to rock. Please enjoy. We are going to start off with a tribute to none other than the God who will remove all the obstacles, Ganesha. We're going to start with Mahaganapati. This is a small bhajan-like composition in Ragam Tilang, or you can call it Mishra Tilang if you like it. Please enjoy this. This is going to be sung. Each song, as a tribute to the dedicated effort of each of these teachers, we wanted them to also lead and sing along with the children. So please put your hands together and welcome. We're going to have Indra she leading this song. So I would request Srimati Indra Madam to come onto the stage to sing along with the children. We'll start with Mahaganapati. Please keep your cell phone in switched off mode.
नमो नमो मातङ्गवदना नमो नमो महागणपते नमो नमो मातङ्गवदना नमो नमो गणपते नमो नमो मातङ्गवदना नमो नमो महागणपते नमो नमो मातङ्गवदना नमो नमो मूषिकवाहन नमो नमो मोदकहस्ता नमो नमो मूषिकवाहन नमो नमो मोदकहस्ता नमो नमो महागणपते 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 नमो नमो मातङ्गवदना नमो नमो ओंकारेश्वर नमो नमो विघ्नविनाशक नमो नमो ओंकारेश्वर नमो नमो विघ्नविनाशक नमो नमो गिरिजानन्दन नमो नमो सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमो गिरिजानन्दन नमो नमो सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमो महागणपते 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 नमो नमो मातङ्गवदना नमो नमो महागणपते नमो नमो मातङ्गवदना नमो नमो मूषिकवाहन नमो नमो मोदकहस्ता नमो नमो महागणपते 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 नमो नमो मातङ्गवदना नमो नमो ओंकारेश्वर नमो नमो विघ्नविनाशक नमो नमो गिरिजानन्दन नमो नमो सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमो महागणपते 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 नमो नमो मातङ्गवदना नमो नमो महागणपते नमो नमो मातङ्गवदना नमो नमो
Thank you. Thank you, Indra teacher, as well. Next, we'll be playing Padumanabha. Which will be sung and led by Guru Sri Lalita.
परमपुरुषा परं ज्योति स्वरूपा यदुकुलोत्तम यज्ञरक्षक यज्ञशिक्षक रामनाम पदुमनाम विभीषण पालका नमो नमो वरदायका नमो नमो विभीषण पालका नमो वरदायका नमो नमो शुभप्रद सुमनोहरा सुरेन्द्रमानोरञ्जना शुभप्रद सुमनोहरा सुरेन्द्रमानोरञ्जना अभिनव पुरन्दर विठ्ठल वल्लरे राम नाम राम नाम राम नाम अभिनव पुरन्दर विठ्ठल वल्लरे राम नाम पदुमनाभ पदुमनाभ परमपुरुष परं ज्योतिस्वरूपा विदुरवन्द्य विमलचरित विहङ्गाविरोहण उदति निवास उरगशयन उन्नतोन्नत महिमा यदुकुलोत्तम यज्ञरक्षक यज्ञशिक्षक राम नाम राम नाम राम नाम पदुमनाभ पदुमनाभ परमपुरुष परं ज्योतिस्वरूपा विदुरवन्द्य विमलचरित विहङ्गाविरोहण उदति निवास उरगशयन उन्नतोन्नत महिमा यदुकुलोत्तम यज्ञरक्षक यज्ञशिक्षक राम नाम पदुमनाभ विभीषण बालका नमो नमो वरदायका नमो नमो विभीषण बालका नमो नमो वरदायका नमो नमो शुभप्रद सुमनोहरा सुरेन्द्रमानोरञ्जना अभिनव पुरन्दर विठ्ठल वल्लरे राम नाम राम नाम राम नाम पदुमनाभ परमपुरुष
It is a simple Geetam which is taught to most kids, but it was presented in 2 speeds, which makes it difficult for all these little children, and they presented it so well. And sincere thanks to also Guru Sri Lalita for that lovely presentation. Next will be Rara Rama. Please welcome Guru Raga Mayuri with a round of applause. For all the Gurus, please. applaud as I announce the names. As I said, the contributions of each of these gurus, all that I can do is salute them. We will start this composition. This is in Ragam Bangala. Once again, sincere thanks to Guru Raga Mayuri from Abu Dhabi. The next composition will be after Rara, Rere. Rere Sri Rama. And when we think of Sri Rama, we should call Gayatri Sri Ram. Guru Gayatri Sri Ram will lead it.
तिलका राघवेन्द्र रे तिलका राघवेन्द्र आश्रित जन पोषकोरे जन पोषकोरे सीता मनोरंजन तेरे धीरा सीता मनोरंजन तेरे धीरा रावणासुर हन्तपुरे रावणासुर हन्तपुरे दीनजन मन्दार मामक दीनजन मन्दार मामक हे श्रीराम
The energy there is superb. Can we have more energy from the audience? That's good. Thanks a lot. Next will be a Tamil Geetam, composition of my guru and brother Chitravina Ravikiran. This is in Ragam Hindolam, Kalai Magale. And we would like to call Guru Renuka, who has also been the chief coordinator for this event. Sincere thanks to Gayatri Shriram Madam.
கலை மகளே கருணையனும் அலை கடலே வரமருளே கலை மகளே கருணையனும் அலை கடலே வரமருளே கலை மகளே அலை மகளும் உயரிமய மலை மகளும் தோழும் பொருளே அலை மகளும் உயரிமய மலை மகளும் தோழும் பொருளே நிலத்திடும்
Sincerely thank Guru Renuka Madam. Next will be Saint Tyagaraja's composition in Ragam Madhyamavati, Nagumomu. This is a different Nagumomu from the Abheri one. I request Guru Anantalakshmi Madam to come on to the dance. I would like to sincerely thank Guru Anantalakshmi Madam for that presentation. I would now like to call upon Guru Lakshmi Guru Prasad. Can't we applaud more for the teachers? That's good. Shri Gananatham Bhajare in Ragam Isha Manohari. The salutations to also the great Muthuswami Dikshitar.
Shri Gananatham Bhajare Chita Parashadiyutam Shri Gananatham Bhajare Chita Parashadiyutam Shri Gananatham Bhajare Nagayagya Sutradaram Nagayagya Sutradaram Nadalayanandagaram Shri Gananatham Bhajare Nagayagya Sutradaram Nadalayanandagaram Shri Gananatham Bhajare Chita Parashadiyutam Shri Gananatham Bhajare Agamadi Sannutam Akhiladeva Pujitam Agamadi Sannutam Akhiladeva Pujitam Yogashali Bhavitam Bhogishayi Sevitam Yogashali Bhavitam Bhogishayi Sevitam Ragadveshadirahidaramani Adinayaviditam Ragadveshadirahidaramani Adinayaviditam Shri Guru Guhasanmuditam Chinmulakamalasthitam Shri Gananatham Bhajare Ragadveshadirahidaramaniyahdinayaviditam Shri Guru Guhasanmuditam Chinmulakamalasthitam Shri Gananatham Bhajare Chita Parashadiyutam Shri Gananatham Bhajare
Sincere thanks to Guru Lakshmi Guru Prasad ji. Next we'll have the popular Varnam in Ragam Abhogi. Abhogi is a Ragam which has no notes, Pa and Ni. So it's a Ragam without water. So I'm also making the children sing without any water now. Thank you. The next composition will be Abhogi Varnam, and I would request Guru Radhika ji to come onto the dais. sada sadama gari sa sa sari ga sari ri sada mada sa sadari sada sadama gari ri ga mada sari ga mari gari sada sari sada mada sadama gari sa ri ga mada Don't bother the children. They are children. They're doing wonderfully well. First of all, in sitting. And if even in the audience some of us sleep, then the music is even better. So it's putting us to lullaby. So if the children sleep, nothing wrong. Okay. I would like to sincerely thank Radhika Madam for that lovely rendition. Next, we will be having Sri Guru Guha in Ragam Suddha Saveri, or in Dikshitar school, it's called Devakriya. I would like to call Guru Srimati Hamsa Gayatri. Hamsa Madam will sing.
Sharavana Baba Shri Guru Guhataraya Shuma. Sharavana Baba Shri Guru Guhataraya Shuma. Surapati Shripati Radhipati Vapati Chidipati Pashupati Sevita Shri Guru Guhataraya Shuma. Surapati Shripati Radhipati Vapati Chidipati Pashupati Sevita Shri Guru Guhataraya Shuma. गणपति श्रीपति रतिपति वापति चितिपति पशुपति सेवित श्री गुरु दुःखालया शुमा शरवण भव श्री शरवण भव श्री शरवण भव श्री
That was Sri Guru Guha in Ragam Devakriya, beautifully rendered by Guru Hamsa Gayatri along with the children. Dikshitar has told Vakpati, so I'm seeing some of you are walking, please come back. There is a few more songs left. Next we will have Vasanta Varnam. It will be rendered by Guru Vishalakshi Shankar along with the children. That was Vasanta Varanam. And sincere thanks to Guru Srimati Vishalakshi Shankar for that lovely rendition. Next, we'll have a peppy number, Sarasara Samarai in Ragam Kuntaravarari, again a composition of Sri Tyagaraja. And when you talk of Sarasara Samarai, we can call Guru Sharanya Kishore onto the dais.
Sarra sarra samarai ikashura sarradi mada vidara. Sarra sarra samarai ikashura sarradi mada vidara. Sarra sarra samarai ikashura sarradi mada vidara. Sarradi mada vidara. Sarra sarra samarai kashura sarradi mada vidara. Sarra sarra samarai.
That was Sharashara Samarai, beautifully rendered. Sincere thanks to Guru Srimati Sharanya Kishore. What is happening to the energy level there? It's good. The children are not tired yet. Okay. The last composition for today's presentation will be Ragi Tandira. Again, a great composition of Sri Purandara Dasa. And this is in Ragam Nadanama Kriya. And for this, we're going to have a special performance where I'm inviting all the gurus to join. Please give one round of applause to all the gurus. I'd also like to call the violin guru and others to also join. ಸ್ಮರಿಸುವರಾಗಿ ರಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರ ಭಿಕ್ಷಕನಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರ. ಮಾತಾ ಪಿತೃಗಳ ಸೇವಿಪರಾಗಿ ಗುರುವಿಗೆ ಬಾಹುವರಂತವರಾಗಿ ಖರ ಖರ ಸಂಸಾರವ ನೀಗುವರಾಗಿ ಪುರದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಸ್ಮರಿಸುವರಾಗಿ ರಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರ ಭಿಕ್ಷಕನಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರ ರಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರ ಭಿಕ್ಷಕನಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರ ರಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರ ಭಿಕ್ಷಕನಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರ. ರಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರ ಭಿಕ್ಷಕನಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರ ರಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರ ಭಿಕ್ಷಕನಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರ ರಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರ ಭಿಕ್ಷಕನಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರ. ರಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರ ಭಿಕ್ಷಕನಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರ ರಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರ ಭಿಕ್ಷಕನಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರ ಭಿಕ್ಷಕನಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರ ಭಿಕ್ಷಕನಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರ ಭಿಕ್ಷಕನಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರ. Dear parents and music lovers, entire Dubai, that was the Sangeet Symphony. Please, give one round of applause for all these children who are absolutely fantastic. Please sit down, children. Don't get up. Please sit down. I will tell you to get up, okay? They were all so well behaved, so disciplined. That's the first thing. And one round of applause for them, mainly because I had told them no books, no papers in front of them. And they had no reference. So that is very special. One round of applause to this entire orchestra of violin, artists, guitar, and keyboard, and also mridangam. And what do we say for all the teachers? They were just simply fascinating, marvelous to work with. Please take your seats. We have a few announcements and also some Thanksgiving. I would request Vinuji to take over. I would also like to quickly thank Prakash for helping on the audio over there, and the entire team here, Kamachi and others. Okay, just a few announcements. Over to Vinuji.
All what you saw is what Shashi conceived and tutored by these great teachers of UAE, music gurus who have delivered it. Vibgyor Events is only a catalyst to get things delivered, and that's what we have done. And we feel it important to honor all our big people on stage. Let me begin it with my friend who has turned out to be a good friend of mine, Shashkiranji, more than a guru right now. When we met each other first time last year, we never knew it's the beginning of a long journey. And since then, probably Shashi has visited Dubai more than 10 times now. He has been on a regular routine now. Whenever he goes on to US, on to Australia, on to Europe, he ensures that there is a destination, Dubai. And he spends some time to keep me motivated that, Vinu, don't stop this journey. You still have a long way to go. And behind all my shows, my wife, and my son who is playing outside. Thank you. Let me put it. I would like Shashi ji to honor our teachers. Let me read out the names. Vishalakshi Shankar. Nipu. Lakshmi Guru Prasad. Anantalakshmi Subramanian. I think you should not feel tired for clapping. Nirmala Venkatesh. Jayashri Rao. Aishwarya. Shubha Ramaswamy. No. Sushama. No. Hamsa Gayatri Shivakumar. Ragamayuri. Keshri Lalita. Radhika Anand. Sharanya Kishore. Sharanya Kishore. Indira. GKV Iyer. ಅದು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Gayatri Shriram. Renuka Sharma. And thank you, Renuka, for inspiring and coordinating things right from day one. I would like one of you probably to tell me, to spot me one among these. children to spot me one of these children. Probably you, sir. One. Spot me one of these children. Is that your granddaughter? Who is she? Okay, no problem. Tell me. What's her name?
Just tell the color.
What's her name? Anna. Ahana. Okay, Ahana, you're lucky to get a 50 dirham baby shop voucher. So Shashi, I don't know. Now you will spot one. Ahana, who is that Ahana? Anna. Ah. Sir, could you spot one for us? Maybe you. Center. Magenta. What's your baby? Behind? Yeah. Your good name?
Behind that.
Okay. She? No, behind that? On the steps? Okay. The Sandhya. Okay. She gets one. Baby shop voucher. Okay, I don't know who is it. I'm spotting him. I don't know who you are, but you gift it to your granddaughter. Right? Okay, now we have more giveaways like that, definitely. I would like to ask Ram over here because he's from Bombay and incidentally he has something ready cooked for all of us on Shashikiran.
எல்லோருக்கும் இனிய மாலை வணக்கங்கள். செந்தமிழ் ஒலித்து கொண்டிருக்கின்றது. ஒரு சிறிய கவிதையை உடனடியாக என் மனதில் தோன்றியதை எழுதினேன். குருவிற்கு குருவாக இசை மேதையாக நம்மிடம் இருக்கின்ற சசிகிரண் அவர்களை பற்றியும் நமது இந்த விழாவை பிரம்மாண்டமான முறையிலே நடத்தி வருகின்ற வினூஜி அவர்களுக்கும் நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக்கொண்டு இந்த கவிதையை புகழ் மாலையை நான் சசிகிரண் குரு அவர்களுக்கு சூட்ட விரும்புகின்றேன். அவர் எல்லோருக்கும் எனர்ஜியை கொடுத்து கொண்டே இருந்தார். பாடுபவர்களுக்கு எனர்ஜியை சக்தியை கொடுத்தார், பாட்டை கேட்டவர்களுக்கு சக்தியை கொடுத்தார், குருகளுக்கெல்லாம் சக்தியை கொடுத்தார். நமது பாக்கி நிறைய இருக்கின்றது. அவருக்கு எல்லோரும் சேர்ந்து திரும்பி கொடுக்க வேண்டும். கவிதையை படிக்க தொடங்குகின்றேன். கவிதையின் ஒவ்வொரு முச்சீரில் அமைந்திருக்கின்றது. 20 அடிகள் இருக்கின்றது. ஒரு அடிக்கும் நாம் எனர்ஜியை அவருக்கு கொடுப்போம். சத்தியம் பேசும் சசிகரன், சாகித்யம் பாடும் சசிகிரண், சந்ததி காக்கும் சசிகிரண், சங்கீதம் பரப்பும் சசிகிரண், தலைவராய் காணும் சசிகிரண், அனைவருக்கும் கற்பிக்கும் சசிகிரண், அதிசயம் படைக்கும் சசிகிரண், ஆனந்தம் வளர்க்கும் சசிகிரண், ராகத்தால் இழுக்கும் சசிகிரண், தாளத்தை காட்டும் சசிகிரண், கோரசால் கூட்டிடும் சசிகிரண், குழந்தைக்கும் பயில்விக்கும் சசிகிரண், கலைக்கு அர்ப்பணிக்கும் சசிகிரண், சகோதரன் ரவியின் சசிகிரண், உலகம் போற்றும் சசிகிரண், உச்சி புகழ் எய்தும் சசிகிரண், யுஎஸிலும் துபாயிலும் எங்கும் சசிகிரண், எங்கும் எதிலும் சசிகிரண், என்றும் வாழ்க சசிகிரண் என்று எனது கவிதையை போட்டுகின்றேன். எல்லோரும் மிகுந்த சக்தியை கொடுக்க வேண்டும். அவர் மீண்டும் மீண்டும் இங்கு வந்து உங்களுக்கு எல்லோரும் சக்தி தர வேண்டும் என்று பிரார்த்தித்து கொண்டு எனது கவிதையை முடிக்கின்றேன். வணக்கம் ஐயா.
Thank you, Ram sir. Most importantly, I think our program manager will definitely have something to express what she felt on her journey of being part with Symphony, Sangeet Symphony. I request Renika to share her word.
வணக்கம் எல்லோருக்கும். கர்நாடக இசையை கேட்க கடலில் திரண்டிருக்கும் அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். சங்கீத் சிம்பனி சசிகிரன்ஜி அவர்களின் சிந்தனையில் உருவான ஒரு வித்தியாசமான கரு. நம் குழந்தைகள் பாரம்பரியத்தை மறக்காமல் இருக்க ஒரு உன்னதமான வரப்பிரசாதம். மிகவும் கடினமான பாடலையும் இலகுவாக பாட முடியும், ஏதுவாக இருக்க ஒரு வழித்தடம். முதலில் சிம்பனி என்றால் என்ன? I think I'll talk in English because I wanted to continue in Tamil, but most of them are from South India in different language, so I will continue in English. What is symphony? The word symphony is derived from a Greek word symphonia, which means concert of vocal and instrumental music. This is popular in Western countries, and thanks to Sashiji, what an innovative idea, and he made this into Carnatic, and which helps our children to learn all the difficult songs in an easy way. So I would like to thank Shashiji for this, and special thanks to Vidya Events, Vinu Ramachandran, who's making UAE as the next musical hub. And for the Carnatic music, if he is not there, we will not have a good platform for our children. So we special applaud for him. And thanks for all the teachers. Without their support, we cannot do a show like this. And thanks for all the parents who took time and who coordinated with me and brought your children for the time. And special thanks to you. And thanks to all the children who learned all the songs and performed well. And thanks for the confidence in me, Vinu. And this is my first program as a program manager. And me and my team wish to do many more like this. And thank you so much. Last but not least, 12 பாடல்கள், 12 ஸ்வரஸ்தானங்கள். அந்த 12 ஸ்வரஸ்தானங்கள் மேளகர்த்தா ஆகிறதுக்கு ஒரு 12 சக்கரங்கள், 12 மாதங்கள். அதுபோல் நாங்களும் ஒரு 12 ஆசிரியைகள் இதுக்கு பின்னாடி ஒர்க் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச். தேங்க்ஸ்.
Thank you. I'll keep it very brief. Just a few quick announcements. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for your excellent support in making this possible. And I will also thank Mr. Ram. I don't think I deserve so much of accolades, but he felt it appropriate. But I dedicate it to all my gurus who have probably, bestowed their confidence in me in teaching and imparting this knowledge that I can share with all of you and all the children here. So I humbly thank all my gurus for that. And here, thanks to all these gurus once more for their support. The quick announcements that I wanted to make was this coming year is going to be celebrated as Carnatic Music Nightingale, as you would all call her, the legend, none other than one and only M.S. Subbalakshmi Amma. Her centenary year is going to be celebrated. As a mark of tribute to that, apart from the Carnatic Symphony, we are going to be bringing to UAE. This is the first time that I am making this announcement, and I thought of this announcement just when I was on stage doing this symphony. So this is a new concept. I just told Vinu, even he might not be aware of what I'm announcing. But we wanted to think and do a Bhakti Symphony, since that great lady had popularized so many devotional numbers like Bhaja Govindam and others. And I want all these teachers, in fact even the adults who can sing, can join in. And we will be making announcements as to when possibly we will host it in consultation with all the gurus and Vinuji and the team. But we will be doing this Bhakti Symphony as a special thing. In addition to that, Vinuji had briefly told you that we are coming out with a concept of a Premier League, Sangeet Premier League. This is going to be a very, very unique concept. We're going to have different teams, different children with different talents. They will all be getting an opportunity to create that and perform. This is actually not done anywhere in the world. This will be the first ever venue where it will be done. So that will be premiered here. Premier League being premiered here will be very appropriate. So that we will have very soon. And I'm sure the Sangeet Samrat, we're going to have exceptional artists coming this year. Please join in to inquire about the artists. We're going to have people like T.M. Krishna, Vishaka Hari and others coming in. Just a few names to mention, but we are also going to have other celebrities who are going to join. So please do come in large number and support. Thank you all. Once again, I thank the entire team, all the children, all the parents, and all the gurus. And also Renuka ji.
Thanks to all the sponsors, basically, without whose support we definitely would not have taken this long journey every time. Shashi ji, I request, and most importantly, a good news which we just got is that what you heard today, what you saw today, will go as video on demand on dinamalaronline.com, and making this viewable to lakhs of music lovers across the world. dinamalaronline.com. We'll keep you informed from when and what date this would go. Yeah, approximately 1.5 lakhs. Okay, approximately 1.5 lakh people would view through it. It should be going online very soon. We'll keep you informed on the date so that you could also pass the information to your friends, make your children see. Thank you.